Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a heart airplane. So yeah, let's go on. First things first, you're going to take a piece of paper and just draw a heart. I'm going to draw mine this way, not that way, as the camera angle isn't. So yeah, I'm literally filming in a potato. Remember that your heart is going to be bigger than mine at least. Oh well. Okay, so yeah. You're gonna cut it out. There, now you have a heart. Mine isn't that pretty, but at least I have one heart. Now you're gonna make it and fold it in half and cut the pieces that aren't that. Cut it so it will be the same. But make sure you don't cut in this side because it won't form a heart like mine. It formed a heart though. And then you just do like this. Like that. Looks like now a dog. You can just leave it this way, but I don't know. It's not even an airplane yet. And then you fold the flaps out like you usually do it. So yeah. Like this. And like this. And now you got a heart. So my friend told me this, and I haven't tested out anyway, so let's see if the airplane works. Oh, it works! Okay, now I can write a note. If you're in love with somebody, make a note.